So now it kind of looks like Michael Burry position may actually be right in shorting Nvidia and Palantir. Yeah, look at Nvidia today. The market was down 3.65 on the day. You guys can see that we were expecting that the stock was due to go lower back in October, but the market went higher. And this is probably where Michael Burry really started his shorting campaign in Nvidia. And now he may actually be in profit depending on where or at what price he began to short his Nvidia stock or shares. We may be a little bit ahead of the game though, because we was talking about that on October 22nd, a little bit early because the market still ran. Let me see how far it go up. It ran another 17, almost 18% after we did our price prediction. But now you can see price is now right back into our target area. So we might just come in and update this, get rid of this prediction, and still anticipate the market Nvidia to go down. Like I said, we may have just got here a little bit early. All right, so let's get rid of this prediction here. It didn't go right. Let's get rid of these sell pockets here in Nvidia. But we're still looking for this stock to go down, and definitely for the reasons now. For one, the volume has increased in Nvidia. You guys can see right here that Nvidia, the highest volume ever since when the last time I've seen this much volume. It goes all the way back to May 30th, 2025. And the market definitely got hit twice. So this could have been where Michael Burry or other people began to initialize their short position here. And then again on the 3rd of November, because the market reacted quickly and swiftly to the downside in Nvidia. We may have a little bit lower to go because this stock is definitely in a lot of people's portfolios, accounts. So people may actually see this as another opportunity to come in and purchase this stock, because today was definitely a shocker to some people. Look at this on the 2. Okay, so definitely still weak here. Here it is on the 3, definitely weak there on the 3. We may need to target this area right here for Nvidia as a potential buy pocket. So we're going to mark that on the chart too. Look at this on the 4. Here it is on the 5. Definitely weak on the 5. 3 more days left though. Here it is on the weekly. Definitely weak. Depending on how this weekly price bar prints, this could be a sign of bigger moves to come in the long term. Same thing here on the 2 weeks. However this prints, if it printed right now, I would definitely be looking for the market Nvidia to continue to go down. Now this may be a good area though, that we'll see the market trying to initialize and hold positions right there. So like I said, we may not see price in Nvidia go that low because a lot of people may definitely try to add to their positions here in Nvidia. Okay, so back on the daily, let's look at this on the 11-hour chart. Okay, so you can actually see some buyers are already trying to enter on the 11-hour bar. These two 11-hour bars there. Here it is on the 5-hour chart. Yeah, somebody's definitely trying to come in and buy the stock down here at the bottom. Here it is on the 3-hour. Here it is on the 1. So yeah, you can tell that the market is buying because after we've seen this massive move down in Nvidia, the price is stopping. It stopped right there. And then the market made a new low, a higher low. So it's like right here. So we're actually seeing this stock try to trend. So someone's trying to buy it. Now, it doesn't matter if they're trying to buy it, because this is the area that they will ultimately have to convince me that they are now in control of price. They have to break this sell pocket right here. If they do that, then okay, cool. We might need to anticipate this stock continue to go up higher in price. Here it is on the 330. 30-minute chart. So yeah, after hours, definitely the market's trying to run up. Let's look at this on the 15-minute. We're going to add this sell pocket right here for Nvidia. And here's another one. There's a lot of sell pockets for this stock. All right. So now let's go ahead and look for this stock to go down. That's what we're going to do. Run it all the way up here to like 205. And we're going to target these pockets already down here at the bottom that we got marked, because price hasn't been in these pockets ever since September, like August time frame. Okay, so this has been a while. These are fresh pockets that the buyers are just waiting for the market to come down to. Okay, so our first target is going to be this first buy pocket. It's very wide, so it could just hit at the top, which is 3.92%, or at the bottom, 6%, either or. Our next target is going to be in between 174 to 173.50, 7 3/4 there. Okay, let's do a third pocket all the way down here to 168. That is around 10.44% move to the downside. Now, this is the area that we're looking at. Okay, I don't know how bullish these people are in these pockets. Okay, if these people in this first pocket aren't happy, aren't willing to purchase Nvidia here, then yeah, the market will run to the next pocket. It's going to continue to go down until it finds the point to where people want to buy. So, and that's something that we don't know. That's why we have these 4 pockets here marked, because we think that these is where these market participants will be willing to purchase the stock. We just got to wait until price comes down to these areas to see which one reacts first. All right, so that is where I'm at. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.